Samuel R. Webster, Webster. Samuel Robert Webster, July 7, 1854 in Elba, Wisconsin, March 12, 1948, was a member of the Wisconsin State Assembly. Webster was born on the Webster farm in Elba, Wisconsin, east of Columbus. He attended high school in Danville, Wisconsin, and Columbus before attending Ripon College and the Milwaukee Business College. Webster's son, Harold, became county surveyor of Milwaukee County, Wisconsin. The elder Webster and his family were Congregationalists. Webster married Harriet Chamberlin 1854–1939 in 1879. Webster died in Columbus. Career. Webster was elected to the Assembly in 1896, 1916, and 1918. He was a Republican.